Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do an aesthetic coloring sort of effect on CapCut. So press effects and then go to video effects, and then you are going to go to comic. Then you are going to select B and W comic, so black and white comic. Then you're just going to extend the length. Once you're done, you're going to add another video effect. So press on video effects again, go to basic, and you are going to find blur. Oops, that's not blur, sorry. Blur, where are you? There. Press the check mark button and again add it to the end of the video. Then I'm just going to export it. So gotta wait. Press done and then select the previous video and delete the effects. Go back and then you are going to press overlay and select the video that you have just exported. Resize the video to fit the frame. Go to splice. Oh, by the way, I pressed overlay before. So, and then you are going to press color burn. And adjust it to like however you want. Press the checkmark button. Then you're going to add an overlay. I'm going to add in a pink color to mine, but you can add in like the colors you choose. Press add. Just going to adjust the picture to fit the frame and adjust it so it goes till the end of the video. Click on it, press splice, and you are going to press overlay, and you can adjust like how light you want the colors to be. And that is basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!